Hello guys and very welcome to my channel. Today I will finally do an unboxing on my brand new Parajet Maverick with an Atom 80 on it. And here we go. And I guess that this is the gearbox. It's very well packed, as you can see. Now let's pick this up. So here is a close-up on the titanium cage. It has some kind of matte finish on it. I don't know if it shows up good, but you have very nice welding joints there. So it's very well built. And it is extremely light. User manual. I actually don't know what this is yet, but I'm pretty sure that I will find out. Eight, 10 and 13 millimeters, and some spark plug tool, of course, Allen keys, and the bolts for the propeller. Nice! Thank you! So here are the instructions for the reduction group. It's very important that you of course fill the gearbox with oil before you run the engine. But I guess that everyone knows that, of course. Here is the oil. 30 milliliters. Right quantity for one replacement, 30 milliliters. Important, shake before using. Okay. Yeah, we can see. It looks like it's some kind of grains inside of the oil there. Let's take a closer look at that. So, I mean, it actually looks like old oil. Strange. Let's shake it. And here we have the spark plug. It has just fallen out of the box. More bolts and some groovement for the spark plug, and we have some brackets for the propeller. Now it's empty. Let's open up this and take a look at the gearbox. You can actually see that this engine has been started up and running for a while. I guess just to check that it's run, of course. Nothing wrong with that. You can see that you have this kind of soot from the, or dust from the clutch. And I think that is great that they have checked everything before the machine went to the customers. Ten Newton meters, 4 bolts, check. Then I will fill the gearbox. So it's only 30 milliliters of oil into this little gearbox. Actually smells pretty bad. Okay, I will start to assemble the cage. So all of those are the same length. So I think that I will start from the bottom here. So I think that if you press like this and at the same time just take this out, so you will open this piece up, and then it's much easier to press it on than just by brutal force press it in like this, because it's almost impossible. So I think it will be much easier the next time I will put on this. Then I will assemble the pull start. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a bit of wind outside and it's also raining, so it's a good feeling to be inside and do this assembling when the weather is bad as it is right now. So now the cord is moving freely from everything straight down to the engine. And now it is time to install the propeller. It's a very snug fit there. So it has to come on perfectly straight on the axle there. Like so. Then we take an extra check because it will always set a little bit when we tighten those bolts. So just make sure to walk over them at least 2 or 3 times. After the first one. Then of course when you have fly it, I recommend you to take another check, because this might set after a while. Okay, I can't wait to start it. I don't know if you can see it, but there is the piston, and it looks very nice and shiny. Yeah, great. Let's take a closer look on the harness here. This is what I like, when you can hook it up so it don't just laying around on the floor or the ground all the time. And here we have the throttles. Oh, it came with some carabiners also. That's great. It's extremely light, everything. So I have my throttle in my left hand because I am right-handed, and that is why I like to have my reserve in my strongest hand, and also do stuff with my mobile phone in the air with my right hand. So the left hand will be just perfect for throttle. And you have your... Oh, that was very loud. Alright guys, I must say that I am very happy with this paramotor. It is so light and it looks so nice. So I can't wait to try it on. But I have to do that tomorrow because it's raining now and it's also getting dark. So stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Then I see you next time. Bye!